Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a install video of my new mounting system I got from Bulletpoint. This mounting is going to be pretty much really just to mount the phone and the iPad on the dash of the Nissan. Should only take a few minutes, so let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is remove the rubber mat in the ashtray. Step 2, you want to take the provided screwdriver in the kit and remove the screws that are holding in the top plastic piece. Once you got the 2 screws out, you can remove that top piece. They do give you a tool in the kit that makes it a little bit easier, but I didn't use it. So here's the instructions. I got everything laid out that I bought. We did this step already. We doing that one now. So basically it says what to do is to remove these screws so we can separate the top and the bottom piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so that's all done. Fun fact, this looks to be a magnetic tip. So shout out to Bulletpoint for not giving you the cheapo piece of crap screwdriver. And they're only a couple threads. So if you don't have a drill, you really don't even need them because it takes like 2 seconds to undo those. So far, so good. Next, you want to take the plastic piece you pulled out of the Nissan, get it lined up. You're going to need to make 2 holes into the middle, line it up with the bottom mounting bracket. There's 2 holes right there. You're going to drill those out. They give you a drill bit that comes with the kit. All you simply do, make those 2 holes to attach the bottom bracket to the plastic piece you pulled out of the Nissan. In this video, I originally was talking about making multiple holes, but that was the wrong information. I decided to just do a voiceover to give you guys the correct information. All right, so we got this all put back together. Just gonna stick it back in as they instruct you to. Here we go. On to the next step. All right, so next they want you to move these screws that they give you back into the holes that came from the factory, the ones you removed at the very beginning. All right, I got that all attached. Got the unit placed on top. All I gotta do is put the screws through here to hold it down. I did go ahead and mount one of them on the back here. They come with some bolts, some washers, some nuts, and this is for my phone. I got another one coming over here for the iPad. So when we are off-road and using Onyx F-Road or maybe Gaia, we can have our iPad sit up there and get all that taken care of. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just fasten this down because it still moves. I'm gonna fasten that down, mount this back, and we should be good to go. Before I went and hooked everything up, I went ahead and tested everything, so I made sure that the iPad would fit there, wouldn't be too close to the phone mount. Everything looks good here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the final bolts back in because this is still loose. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one over there, 6. So we'll get that put back in. Should be ready to roll. Okay, went and get everything tightened up. This is the final product. I'm really liking it. It's really, really sturdy. It's like 50 screws in this whole thing, so really sturdy. This feels like aluminum, like billet aluminum. So this is pretty sturdy stuff. I do like the mounts, the arms. They're adjustable here, and then again there. I like the faux carbon fiber look, pretty cool. Anyway, that's how I got it set up right now. So if you want to mount your phone and your cracked up iPad, you can do that. And yeah, really liking it. So if you guys want this product, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out.